Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Guys, let's head out.
The lightning comes down to the metal and stops so it doesn't hit you instead. If lightning...
Court will assign one to him. Hey! Anyone want to be his lawyer?
Bulldozer. I'm a race car.
Oh, is that right? Then why don't...
No time for free. Done. You're interested, you call me, you know where I am.
Man, for a second wait a minute. I knew that the whole time.
Guys, I'm talking about making this my...
right now. Hello, face. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go.
Donnie!
Hi, Donnie. What's going on?
It's actually...
Aha, laugh it up.
Stop is the hospital! Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
What is he talking about?
It was you leaking oil at the party in Japan. You just blamed it on...
Bonita música. If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
I just really wish Mater were here.
There's smoke on the casino brick.
Lightning McQueen you're hauling here.
Just stopping off for a quick breather, kid.
Well, then race for me.
Tax!
Miss Cruz, I would be tickled pink to have you.
Oh, right. Wooden brake blocks. How could I forget? What with all the...
And the best fitness regimen anyone could possibly imagine.
Wait.
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!
What's he saying? What's wrong?
Ooh, that's your color. Yellow, baby. You smoking hot.
Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're okay.
You will see him like this as he drives away from home.
That's cute.
Luckiest car in the world.
Why, thank you.
Which he will have to be to have a chance against... Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will beat...
Big Al!
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you lemon?
Thanks, guys.
I said I'm not angry! Oh, I don't think so. No!
Strays. Lightning McQueen must be killed.
No!